Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special guest, my handsome 12-year-old Elijah.
Hi.
He is actually going to do my makeup today. He's super excited when he picked all the makeup out with his brothers that he asked if he can do my makeup. So I said yes. And yeah, so he picked up some nice stuff out of my collection and we are going to get through this together. So if you're interested in watching my son apply some makeup and create a look on me, then go ahead and grab a bottle of water, grab a snack, and then just keep on watching. So we are going to start with some foundation. I already put on my brows just because I'm really funny about how my brows go on. So he's gonna go ahead and start out with some foundation.
So we're going to put on the LA Girl Pro Coverage on. So let's do this.
I had an itch. I have an itch again. I don't know why. Maybe it's the beauty blender or the beauty sponge.
Maybe.
It has like maybe, I don't know, like hair on it or something. I swear. My nose never itches.
Maybe you're getting nervous because of how your makeup
No,
looks.
I'm not getting nervous.
Okay. So I need you to close your lips. Sorry, that is so quiet. Okay.
No, I'm just letting you do your thing.
I know. And I would like to talk also.
Alright, so then go ahead, talk. What do you want to ask mommy? What do you want to talk about?
Put some concealer on your brows.
Foundation, you mean?
Foundation.
That's okay, we can fix that later.
Anyway.
Okay.
So now we are going to do the concealer. We're going to go with the ColourPop No Filter Conceal one. Shake it. Okay. Shake it for a little.
Yeah, I gotta buy a new one. I'm running out of that one.
Yes.
It's one of my favorite concealers.
I love your TV on. Okay.
The other way.
This way.
Nope. It's so funny. On my face, you were going super soft. Now that you're really close to my eye, you're like pouncing out. Like boom, boom, boom. Try to get into the corners.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
It's really hard.
Okay. You just gotta blend it out a little bit more.
Just a little. Need no more. Yes.
Okay.
Just a little. Like one. Do it. Can we put some like right here over here?
That's usually where the sun hits you.
Everything.
And you always want to highlight there.
What are we gonna move on to now? Setting spray, right?
You can, yeah, to set the foundation and concealer. Usually for concealer, you use a powder so it doesn't crease.
Next up, we're going to use the Airspun Loose Face Powder.
I'm gonna go under the eye like when you were doing the concealer. Okay.
Now we are going to use the Essence Luminous Matte Bronzing Powder. If I can open it. My hands are very slippery.
At least you know where to bronze.
I've got a little bit of experience.
How many tutorials you watched before doing this?
A lot, honestly.
Alright. You like it?
Perfect.
Alright, so now we're gonna go in with blush and highlighter. Let me get him a palette. Hold on.
Ooh, the blush really pops out.
is that how much blush mommy be putting? Woo! I am blushed out.
Now we're gonna go in with highlighter. Oh, by the way, we went with Ambition. This one right here.
And show them with a palette.
This one, we went in with this one, Ambition blush. Now we are going with Reflect. This one right here.
And he's going to highlight my face. Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm. Because you wanted to highlight like when I move wherever the sun is going to reflect. Alright, so I put my ears on so that my little hairs don't get in his way. And we are going to go on to do the eyes. And he has something exciting, excuse me, to do. He is going in with two palettes that he is obsessed over. The first one being the
Mermaid Forever's palette. It's
from
like from Evolution.
Makeup Revolutions.
Makeup Revolutions.
Yeah. And it's called the Mermaids Forever palette. And he is obsessed because he's obsessed with mermaids. So
yes.
He's going to go in and do an eyeshadow look with that. And also with the BH Cosmetics Club Tropicana eyeshadow palette. Which, of course, my other son was obsessed with too because it's colorful and shimmery and glittery. So let's see what we come out with now. Alright, go ahead. Okay, so we're gonna go into the Club Tropicana palette because the Makeup Revolution London palette, the Mermaid Forever palette, is not as pigmented as he thought it was going to be. So we're gonna go into this other palette. So exciting for me. I'm like wondering, what are you doing on my eyes?
Trying to do something pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna go with another blending brush. This one right here from Wet n Wild. We're going to go with another pink because we're doing a pink and purples look. I was gonna add some blue, but she's done too many blue looks. True that.
I might have to bring Enzo in here with me. Okay, so we have a guest on our video. Everybody knows Enzo. Hi, Enzo. Say hi. He's being a little crabby, so. Bless you, baby. And in case you can hear behind us, that is Moana playing in the background. for the quadrillionth time. Now, Enzo, don't touch any of that stuff.
Actually, we might not have to clean up. I'm working with what I got, and it's looking really pretty. Is it pretty, everyone? It's really nice. It's like a unicorn. I don't know. I'm just thinking the makeup look that I'm doing right now is a unicorn because it looks like a unicorn.
It's
Okay.
silly.
We're using a white eyeshadow just for like a little highlight and like right here. Just right here. Hi. Okay, so now we are we're going to go back and hopefully this is not messed up. I don't want this to mess up.
What are you laughing about, Enzo? You're so silly.
Going in with another pink. Okay, we're going good so far.
Okay.
Okay. We're going in back with the purple that we used earlier.
Oh yeah, Enzo? You excited because he's using purple?
Okay, so now we are done with the eyes for now.
Okay.
Wanna look at them?
No. You gotta look at the finished look.
Okay. So now we are going in. Can I use this for the lips?
Yeah, it's like a pen.
Okay, good.
You just have to be very, no, you gotta, the cap doesn't go on it like a pen. And then you just kind of draw it on.
You gotta open now.
It's okay, it's your first time. No worries. Do the next one.
Okay, open. This side is always better. I'm gonna do some mascara. And by the way, we're using the NYX Professional Makeup Worth the Hype.
What liner did you use?
I used the Kat Von D tattoo liner.
In the color Trooper.
Trooper.
You got a brush.
Eyes up.
Get it on my shadow.
Okay, here. Close your eyes. So now we are going to go with the NYX retractable lip liner in the color nude. Yeah. Okay, now that's all done. Now we're using the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the color Echo Park. We're done.
I have to set my makeup now.
Well, I don't want to sit it yet. I want to fix my mistakes
Okay.
first. So we will be back to you
We'll
when
be
the
back.
mistakes
I'm
are
gonna
done.
fix up some stuff.
So
So we are going to
finish up with setting the face.
he's using the Tarte Ready Set Radiant setting spray.
The Skin Moist.
A little bit behind, a little back. There you go. So we're going to then just fan this up. You like that air?
So this is the final look. Tell me how you like it in the comments below. You can also tell me how good I did and how bad I did.
So I think he did a really good job. I like everything. There's a couple little things I had to give him pointers on, but that's expected. You know, it's his first time. He did a really good job. I like the colors he picked. A little bold for me, but definitely really pretty. So if you enjoyed watching my son Elijah do my makeup, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays now. So thank you guys for hanging out with me and my son, and we had fun doing this, and I will see all of you beauties in my next video.